Spanish Supreme Court has made a very, very important decision within the last few days, based around what's known in Spain as the horizontal property law. Basically, what type of economic activity can happen within a community or a building where people live. Now, before, if you wanted to rent out, if you were renting out property, apartments to tourists short term, right? And the community didn't want that. They would need 100% approval not to do that. So, for example, like that building over there, say if it was 100 apartments and 99 said no, we don't want tourists renting short term in our building, and one person said, well, I do. Obviously, it would be the person renting out, and then he'd be able to block that. Now, the way the new law will be is that if there's a majority of 60% says they don't want that type of economic activity happening in their community, they can stop it. Now, going forward, like for example, if you already have registered tourist accommodation, it won't apply to you. It's going forward. So if you're already in the system, you will be okay. Having lived in a Spanish community for the last few years in a building, I can tell you getting that 60% will not be a problem. So it could be big changes ahead. Now, we will take a while to get through to the system, you know. It might mean that more apartments that have been rented out short term might go to locals long term, but it will take a while to go through because it's going forward. But it also could happen that anyone that had planned to do this might try and do it illegally under the table, you know, and not register at all and just try and do it illegal. But there are massive fines in Spain for doing that, so you would be taking a big risk. So interesting days ahead.